Hey y'all, D back here again. Gonna be heading out to the junkyard this morning. We got the lawnmower and everything that we picked up yesterday. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I made it to the scrapyard. It's pretty quiet today, so we'll have an easy unload. Just pull the handle down, Chris. You see how I'm doing it? Okay, there you go. Should be loose enough. No, you don't ratchet it. You pull it up, and then it just free rolls.
Okay.
Okay. Now, here. Hey, Dad, unlock it. Grassy. Okay.
Let's watch some water in here.
It's fine. Just let the water roll out to the end. I need to get my gloves. Do you want that? I forgot. Whoop. Here we go. Oh, charbroil. Phew. Okay. Let's get this back open. Got it, Chris? Yeah. Let's see if she rolls as easily when it's off bike. There we go. Oh boy, this thing's stuck in here. Yeah, this dishwasher's stuck. Yeah, I need help. It's stuck in the gray itself over here. There we go, it's out. Is it stuck in that one too?
Yeah.
Yeah, like where? Okay, wiggle it. There you go. Okay, let's tilt it up and throw it out. 1, 2, 3. Frisbee.
Where you going?
Okay. Now for the big one. Hey Christian, watch yourself. Come on. Hey, wait. Oh wait, do you have to push this down? Now. Wait. There you go. Okay, watch it. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, Christian. I'm gonna let it roll. Rolled off as easily as she rolled on. Yeah. Look at it go.
Look at that.
Oh, God bless. Okay, let's get the board in. Remember how we do this?
Yep.
No, yep, wait. There you go. Okay. Lift up the gate. And okay. We're golden. Up to the weight scales and over to the precious. Okay, we're back over here at Precious Metals. We got some copper, we got some compressors. You got both compressors, Chris? Yeah. And where? Got. If you got those, I'll get the. Where are the compressors? Oh, that one. Okay, there it is. Got the copper. Okay, there we go. Whoop. Okay, there we go. Little mishap. Okay. Where'd Christian go? Oh.
You're on 0.
Okay.
Get the copper too.
What?
What did he say?
I didn't hear.
Over there.
Hey, it's passing sealed units too.
Yeah.
They all have solder. Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sealed units, go ahead. Anything else?
No, but that's it.
Okay, so our ATM is down. I'm gonna go upstairs and get the money.
Okay.
Who you talking to? Everyone.
Lights, camera, action.
There you go.
Awesome.
You can go cash out a while and I'll dump your bucket.
Yep, where do we go?
We're gonna go up the stair, this way, to go right at the open garage,
Okay.
up the yellow stairs.
Okay, can do.
Just watch your step, alright?
Yep, I got it.
Yeah, go that way.
Whoop, whoop. There we go. Okay, this is brand new. No motors there. Go. Let's see where we go. This is new to me. Gotta hop like a bunny. Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing good. So I'm good. Yeah, it's hot out. Yeah, it's raining.
Yeah.
Is this your office then?
Yes.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. You have a good one, sir. You're welcome. Awesome, how much did we get? We got 128. God bless to that. Thank you, Lord, for the givings you give. Every little bit that helps us. See ya. Oh, yeah, that'll probably help. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good one. 128. Yeah.
Good job, Tom.
Okay. I got to see the manager himself.
Yeah, clean your, you could spray your hands.
I just want to look at this quick.
You gotta back out. There's a guy looking to get in here.
Okay.
That works here to put the bin there.
Yeah. Okay.
I told him I couldn't back it out. So he said, I understand.
Okay. Well, that was a good trip. We'll be heading back home. God bless and good day.